Dili lang papel o ballpen akong dala, kundi diaper, extra sinina, o gatas para sa akong anak. Dili sayon ang pagatiman sa bata samtang naa sa klase. Labi na kung maghilak siya sa tunga sa klase. O kinahanglan pakalmahon. Kapoy, lisod, ug usahay, gusto na lang umuno. Walay makabantay kung wag akong bana nagtrabaho sa kakolektor, ug akong papa nagtrabaho sa kapanday, ug akong mama o sa kamalugitay. Kinahanglan nila mo trabaho para maka-income. Bakisan pa man, laban lang gihapon. Pag-abot na ako sa lecture ang pinaka-challenge sa tanan. I was given a bigger responsibility. Gihimo ko sa ka-leader sa research group. Kinahanglan kumuha sa school para na ako'y magamit sa laptop kaya lagi wala ko'y kaugalingon na laptop. At the same time, bantay bata lang gihapon. Being a leader is not easy. Until the final defense came, bringing with me a pressure and nervousness. But I faced it with courage and determination. Here now sa Tambaco Integrated School, I found support from my teachers and classmates. Because of us, I have a chance to build a better future for my family. This is why I stand here today, urging the leaders to continue supporting our program. There are many mothers like me who dream finish their school but face obstacles. Let us break the barriers and make education truly accessible to everyone, regardless of age and circumstances. To all mothers and fathers, to all students facing struggles, let my story be a reminder. Education is never impossible if you have the determination to fight for it. No matter how hard life gets, never stop learning, never stop dreaming, and never stop believing in yourself. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to our teachers and mentors, especially Ma'am Evelyn Miranda, our ALS coordinator. Thank you, Ma'am, for guiding us, for your patience and encouragement. Thank you for leading us until we finally graduate. To our PR subject teacher, my mentor, Sir Marcy Gonti. Thank you, sir, for sharing your knowledge. Salamat sa pag-guide every time na nagalisod ako sa among research. Yes, lisod ang research, pero nakayanan ako ang tanan sa tabang ni sir. As a leader, I am very grateful because of you. I've learned a lot about research. It was a great help for me when I go to college. I would like to thank also our mobile teacher in grade 11, our beloved guest today, Ma'am Denise Tukay, the first who believed my ability at school. Thank you so much for your kindness. Even though you are no longer our teacher, you still continue to support us. Even during our graduation pictorial, you still came to support us. To Ma'am Rosalie Fortuna, thank you, Ma'am, for your reminder nga walay unangay para makapasok ang tanan o padayon lang. And now, we finally graduate. To my husband, wala siya talaga ako sa matangya ko. Thank you for your support and understanding. Your patience and love remind me every day that I am not alone in this journey. To my parents, Ma'am, salamat sa pagbantay sa akong mga anak every time na aming importanteng lagaw. Thank you for believing in me and remind me that it is never too late to dream again. Thank you to the honorable officials who donated to our project, which is Fruga and Supply. We are truly grateful because through your generosity, we are wearing Fruga today. To Tambaco Integrated School, my second home, thank you for opening your doors to us senior high school learners like me. This school is more than just a place of learning. It is a place of second chances and new beginnings. Because of the ALS program, many students, mothers, and fathers are given the opportunity to build a brighter future. May this school continue to be a beacon of hope for many more learners to come. And lastly, to my fellow students, especially parents ALS learners, do not give up. We are proving that no challenge is too big when you have the determination to succeed. Education has no age limit. Our dreams have no expiration date. Let's continue to dream, to strive, and to achieve more. Congratulations, graduates, batch 2024 to 2025. That's all. Daghang salamat.